To set up out of office or on vacation in Gmail, first open Gmail, then click on the gear icon to open the settings. Click on See All Settings, scroll down until you see the vacation responder right here. Click here to activate the vacation responder. Then select the first day of your vacation or out of office day. Of course, you can also add a last day for your absence. Under subject, type in, for example, I am on vacations. And here inside this text box, you're typing in what the person who is texting you will get as an email while you are out of office or on vacation. If you want to send this response only to your contacts, just check here, otherwise it will be sent to everybody. Then click on Save Changes. On top you will see that you are on vacation or out of office very obviously in yellow, so you will not able to miss it out when you're back. If you're back, just click on End Now, and if you want to change something, for example the vacation is longer or the absence on out of office takes longer, just click on Vacation Settings. Change the last day, for example, or anything else, and then click on Save Changes. You can also manually just deactivate it right here. Let's see how it looks like if we send a message to this email. Type in the email, subject, need your guidance, for example. Then I'm gonna type in, hi, I need your guidance, thanks, just for an example. Then I'm gonna send this email. From the recipient side, which is on vacations, you can see inside the inbox that you received this message. The person who sent this email will get an email notification which says I'm on vacation. And that's it, guys. Thank you very much for watching and see you next time.